So, ooh, actually, I need to set up the chat real quick. Anyways, where? Um, let's see. We need to go here. So we're going to change the string titles real quick. So I will grab see that. I guess first we're going to work on improving the string. Okay, that's fine. And then yeah, nice. Oh, not quite. There we go. I think. No, that's also not it. So the problem is I just set up regolith, which is the tiling. So I switch, it's like built on top of Ubuntu, and it, instead of a, what is it, like a covering Windows Manager, it's a tiling Windows Manager. So hopefully I can lay out the stream a little nicer and people can see what's going on. And it should be more efficient because I'm able to just use the keyboard to switch between things. But I'm still getting used to it, so all of them are different. Okay, so it's got this little thing that shows me all the commands, but I don't think I can move it onto the other monitor. So I guess I'm going to be on my own with this. So what I'm trying to do is move this over to the other screen. So I want to move it to the other workspace, I guess. Please, if I can find the hotkey. Everything is hotkeys. Move to window workspace. Okay. So if I do, so it basically just uses the window key, the power key, whatever it's called, source key, thing with the Windows logo. And then a command, like the Windows logo is the leader key. So if I, like, you can see down here, or I guess you guys can't see that. Just down off screen on the left, there's, oh, you guys can't see that. Okay, yeah. So there's a 1 and a 2, and these are different workspaces. If I hit window 2, it'll bring me here. So now I can like separate the workout and just keep flat desktops so that I can see everything. Like if I go to a desktop, I can see everything that's on the desktop without having to drag stuff around. But if I want to move this to the other screen, I gotta move it. So I should be able to just move it to the workspace view. Does that work? I don't think that worked. Okay, why didn't that? Oh, I guess I didn't. I was just going to the workspace. Okay, so that's move, not move window. Toggle, no. File, no. Maybe it's just, that's not it. This? Yeah, there we go. Perfect. It was Windows Shift and then move over. Okay. So now I can move this to workspace 3. Right? this to workspace 3, and workspace 4 is clean. Okay. Okay, cool. We're doing it. Now, this is cool too because in Windows, when you move between workspaces, you have to like tab through it. But this, I can just hit the button. I can just say go to 2 or go to 3. So if one is like if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I can go from here to here without going to the middle one. So it's much faster. Okay. But what we need to do is set up the chat, I guess. Like the chat's here, but I can't see it, which is continuing to be a problem that we haven't really gotten to yet. I fiddled with the chat yesterday, but I didn't end up getting it how I would really want it. You can still see. Okay. Okay. So I guess I just have to let me open up the streaming. Well, oof. Yeah, most of this is off screen, so. Let me see if I can. There. Okay, you guys should be able to see now. I just moved our third workspace to here. I guess I can just leave OBS open on the other screen because the workspaces are local to the screen, which is probably a necessity. Let's see. I'm going to go to all of these, but we can do it the cool way, right? We can do. There we go. Not that. Yeah, so I have hotkeys to open a browser and open a terminal, which is nice because that's like if I do Windows enter, it opens this. And then if I do Windows Shift enter, it opens this. And I can even do it horizontally, which is sweet. Okay, but anyways, right now we just want actually this, which is maybe not ideal, but this is my other account. Okay. And we're here. Nice. It shows me up in my own thing. That's cool. Channel. Still says Neovim struggle, huh? Did it not update the titles? Still says Neovim struggle, huh? Did it not update the titles? Still says Neovim struggle. Oh, let's see. This header bar in the browser takes up so much space. Let's see if we can just. Did it not update the titles? Yeah, it still says Neovim struggle. Oh, let's see. This header bar in the browser takes up so much space going on. Let's see if we can just. Did it not update the titles? Yeah, it says Neovim struggle. Oh, let's see. This header bar in the browser takes up so much space going on. Let's see if we can just. Did it not update the titles? Yeah, it says Neovim struggle. Oh, let's see. This header bar in the browser takes up so much space going on. Let's see if we can just. Did it not update the titles? Yeah, it says Neovim struggle. Oh, let's see. This header bar in the browser takes up so much space going on. Let's see if we can just. Did it not update the titles? What? Let me see. Did it just start when the YouTube? Is it gone now? Well, I turned this off. Right. So it would probably echo if I did this. It's so weird. It shouldn't be feeding. Okay. Anyways, let's go back to okay. This. Okay. Let's go to Twitch. But Vivaldi is just the browser, right? Like you wouldn't do it with all of my stuff. Okay. I guess it was because I had this volume on. And if I turn this on, it shouldn't go infinite anymore, right? Since all of these things are muted. Is this muted? Yeah. Okay. Oh man, this is trippy. Super trippy. We got some disgusting iced coffee, but it's coffee. We're gonna drink that. It's light. There we go. Back to solitude. We are out of coffee, but I always forget about the emergency ration of disgusting cold brew in the fridge. I think cold brew gets me like way more amped than normal coffee somehow, which is weird to me. But how's the sound? How's the lighting? All that stuff. It's good. Fruit in the devil's foods. That would make it more tasty because the devil wants you to sin or something, right? Is that what Starbucks is? Devil coffee? A new mic would be good. Yeah, I think so. And then yeah, like it's easier to see if the lighting's good, if the camera's good, and I want to pick up like how nice this jacket is because someone awesome got me this jacket. Show it off. Yeah, exactly. Then we'll be really rolling. Let me get this off the screen so that you guys don't have any interruption. But see, this is so sweet because it's just like this is like Megadesk, like on The Office where he has like multiple desks, and then he can just look at it and go to the next one where everything's laid out. So I'll go yes. Okay, even like a one. So. Yeah, I stopped the squeaky chair. Ooh, speaking of, let's go to our to-do list. I was trying to get Neovim to work again, and I still wasn't figuring it out. But let's go to our to-do list. Let's make a new workspace, I guess. Yeah, see, made new desk. Beautiful. coffee run. You got sold, huh? Started thinking about it. Maybe they'll give you extra stuff because of your arm. You should really lean into that. Okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna make. Oh. Okay, so our old key binding works for making a terminal. But I can also just do this. Yeah, I can do this. And then we're gonna make two. And we're gonna just look at our to-do list, I guess. It actually be more efficient for me to do this. I guess it would be more efficient for me to get all of mine. And we can. Okay, now we can duplicate it. Oh, it doesn't track where I'm at. It just opens a new terminal. That's interesting. Well, we get a second chance to get redemption. See, we can do it in one line of code instead of 2 lines of code, like a dummy. Okay. So what do we do now? We want to buy, which is mapped to Neovim. Oh, and the other cool thing I can do is now I can, if I do this, yeah, so that's nice. The terminal is like the same size as what my chat should be. So I can do this. Nice, and that sort of solves one of our issues. Sort of. But now the thing is off because you can't see anything down there. Interesting. Well, at least it would give me like. I should just move that up, right? Okay, we can do that. We can do that in a second. Okay, but right now. So basically all of my workspaces should have this little box here. Okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna pull up our bin. I guess what's in here. Swap file existed. Cover, edit, cover. Okay, fine. I guess I had been messing with it somewhere. Or was it open on another workspace? That would be an interesting thing to run into. Oh, but this is the wrong to do. It's not what we want. We want 5. Okay, big to do. Keep typing sign. There. So what else did we need? We did this, so that's good. But what else is there? Move lines around? We haven't done that. And that would be nice for moving stuff in my to-do list around. So. I wonder if I can change just this thing's preferences. I don't think so. That would be tedious anyway. There's something else I wanted to do with Vim, or in Vim. I guess we can do this when something comes up. I'm sure there's a ton of stuff that I'm missing that would really make our stuff more efficient. I think I'm gonna have to cut myself off today though on trying to add these things. I need to actually start working on a project. I can only front load so many efficiencies. And like now I know how to do it, basically. I can go into the config and set my key bindings and two plugins. So even looked a little bit at the batch RC. So now I'm not like a complete idiot and can actually understand what people are saying when they say it. But I have these abilities like that. So here we want to look at the real to-do list. Okay. I don't know why I was doing that. So another thing we can do is we can reshape the size of these things. We can do like this. Maybe too much though. You know, it's like stretching out our other thing. That's okay. Let's go ahead and fix that. Well, let's go through our list first. Could even add one over here. So, nope. That is one annoying thing is it doesn't really tell you which mode you're in. You just have to remember. So, whoops. You've also got to be. No, right. See what I'm saying? There we go. So since these are all pretty small, and I could even get these to jive with the you navigate with the event keys too, which is sweet. Pretty natural, you know. And it's just the home row. Okay, this is sweet. Got access to our big bag here. But what this means is that I can make sure that this stays properly sized. Whoops. Ooh, not like that. We want to do it like this. No, okay. Here. This way. It's got like a weird push mapping. Okay, cool. So we can move it like that. That's like the right size, I guess. And anything bigger is gonna be fine. I just can't make it smaller, really. Yeah, that works. Okay. So if we go to our other things, this one has it. I don't know that it'll let me just do this though. Yeah, it makes both this small. Oh, it's open in multiple files. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. I'm sort of converging my layout to what that other guy's thing was. Just naturally. Oh. Let's see. That's 4. It's 5. This is 2. This is 1. Where did our multiplex go? Screens. There it is. 3. Yeah, so here I can see like the viewers and whatever. And just make sure everything's working, so sometimes I have to pop over here. But this is our ending. And then let's go into 5. Okay. So let's broke the chair. We have 2 more followers, and then I'm going to be here all Saturday. Do some work on Saturday anyway, so that'd be nice. So what did we do? We did this. which came in handy because I sneezed. This should be working. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. How do we open files? How do we do that? Settings. We want. Not much. Applications? No, file search. When alt space. Okay. It's on screen. Let's see. Is this what controls what screen I'm on? Still here. Okay. Ooh, that's not good. Anyways, we're gonna search for what is it called? What were we just about to do? Videos. I guess I should just be using the terminal. Anyways. Here, well, this is annoying. How do I... Does it not let me get in there? That's weird. Okay. Let's go here and projects, this. No, that's not it. In the wrong spot. We want image. What's that? We want to find our hard drive. Which I don't see. Should be here. Yeah, so that's not it. Strange. Temp. That's weird. How do I just go to the files? Book selector. I don't think that's it. Okay. File browser. Shift in. Okay, cool. This is super skinny, but see, this was not here under our home. Let's see. User. What? Yeah, it should be in home, right? Oh, I went to the wrong place. So, okay. It's like super scrunch, but it also lines stuff up. It just does like one screen at a time. So it's interesting. I'm gonna get rid of the other things soon. Just trying to see the mapping for the future. So this is home, but it doesn't map directly to the GUI. It's not like a one-to-one thing. Maybe in the app much. That's it. Yeah, I don't know how you get to the peripherals with that. Anyways, we're gonna go here. Videos, just to check. Yeah. The other cool thing is that even though these things are small, I can always blow out the screen. Right? They said I want the MKVs. So can we just delete the 4s? Just delete these. Or is it supposed to be moving it to 4 to publish? Let me look at the settings. Stream output. Saying that the bitrate might be too high. Let's see if that's better. I don't know exactly what bitrate does, but video output should be the where the recording is. Where's the stupid recording thing? There it is. So, yeah, so I can record it to this and then convert it. I don't know where the converter button is though. If it ends up being that I need to go back and convert it, then that's fine. I can control it, or I can kill it while it's blown up. That's pretty sweet. Let's check. Still going. So let's go and raise us up a little bit since this box is pretty solid. Go to here. I don't know why when it switched to push instead of pull, but okay, so we're just gonna open a tab here because this is gonna be temporary. I guess we could just make a new workspace. Yeah, let's just make a new workspace. Man, how did I live without this? I just have so many things open. Browser, boom. My mouse is gonna get dust on it from not being used. Shh, ignore that. As I say that. Man, look at this. We've come so far. Kind of. I was so young earlier in the week. So what do we want to do? We want to adjust, yeah, so this is the chat layer. So this needs to be moved up a bit. That, where's our test? Test is in 2. Yeah. 2 to 6. Let's still do a little more. So. Okay. This being... Oh, this is not even active. Oh. Chat layer is gone. I can just do this. Whoop. I should make this more transparent now too. It's like I make it solid, but it's fine. The camera layer, that's the layer that you mess with. This layer is garbage. I can probably delete this. since that only feeds the Twitch chat. Right, let's clean up after ourselves. Wait, we'll mise en place. I gotta start doing stuff other than Twitch because I'm never gonna get viewers. Just talk. Anyways, we need the. Is it the flower layer? I didn't know what I was doing when I made these. So. I guess the can is still just an OBS. Huh? So dumb. Both of these things, I made the same mistake twice immediately. It's like this. Oh, I have the followable thing here. That needs to be right too. Save that. Nice. Beautiful. So this can actually move down a little. Okay. Can I make it just? Yes. Yes. Okay. I'm going to start doing real work at some point, I promise. That's a little too much. Needs to line up nice with our new bottom bar. There we go. Now you should be able to see it all the time too once I switch back to. Well, if I just did this. Right? And then here. Oh man, we're so close. I didn't think about the tile. Ooh, okay. I should start on the bottom. This can actually be a little more in. Nope, I was wrong. Be a little more out. Maybe like here now. Like here. Okay. Yes. Maybe I can make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. Yes. Now let's see if we bring up the time. The time is still here. Man, you already went through so much time. We're doing like 45 minutes. That's crazy. That is. I haven't even really started yet. That's insane. I gotta go faster. Jeez. Okay. Save. Time. So this is gonna be tricky. There's gotta be a way to do this so you don't have to make an infinite number of layouts. Pretty sure from what I've heard, people just use like one layout for each time. This. Just trying to move boxes and boxes. Almost. Just try 2 clicks. Let's try it. I made my camera bigger. This is all probably temporary because having a terminal there is not a solution. Better. Did I do anything? I didn't see that do anything. Either too quick or too slow. Whoops. What's that? I didn't do anything. Okay. That should be good. Let's leave it there. Cool. So what's next? Let's go back to our. So this is our screen layer. This is our Neovim. This is where I was going before. Where's this? 5. Okay. See, I'm too close now. This is it. Okay, this is our other to-do list. Let's just right. 50 minutes in, and we're finally getting to the to-do list. This is working, so we added the Go Live alert. The infant version is working. We made the text bigger, so this should be big enough for someone to see on their phone. Add marker on background so the camera doesn't get covered. That's kind of what we did. I don't know if I want to mark that it's done though. Edit chat layer to restring chat. We kind of did that. We kind of did a lot of these. Well, that's the other thing I wanted to do was I wanted to add this chat. I wanted to add the chat to the waiting screens so that people can see their stuff on live. Let's see. Let's do this. That way the chat can be on the screen. Maybe that's really cool here, but this Valentine just brought me a delicious looking Starbucks coffee. It's not a sponsor of the stream. I have a mechanical coaster and I have 2 regular coasters and I still don't have enough coasters. Coaster game. My screen is being blocked by a giant Starbucks cup. I'm okay with that. Anyways. We taught the schnoodle a trick where it picks up coasters and brings them to you. But if you have food, it just lays a pile of coasters by your feet. So It's not perfect. Not a perfect system. I put the water in front of the coffee so that I have to actively pass the water to get to the coffee. Anyways, for those of you that might just be joining us, we just rearranged our little camera layout over here to match, to adjust for our new fancy tiled background. Okay. And if we go through all the stuff, this one's not going to have it because this one is a trip anyway. This one isn't accepted. Okay, okay. Gotta keep clearing it so it's clear. Oh, why is this one? Okay, it's just because I had it selected, I guess. This one looks so much worse than the other one. It's annoying. Should still be able to see this stuff though. I haven't fixated too much on that. So we're here. Okay, let's keep going through our to-do list. Kind of did this. Why is that highlighted? Oh, what is going on? Insert, but what is the cursor? Kind of did that. I'll just get rid of it for now. Why is this highlighting? Did I tell it to highlight that? Or did I like did something I don't know how to do? Kind of did this. Ooh, we should add a chatbot. That's what we should do for the last 37 minutes, I guess. Add to schedule, add to banners. Yeah, so the one thing I'm proud of is that I killed the squeaky chair. Fix the chair. Oh, and we did this too. This was on there because I had to restart the computer. Back. Nice. Getting better. Making progress. Add channel creator. That I should do that this weekend when I can just like look at a camera. Well, actually, I should wait till I get the better camera, I guess. Since it's gonna be up there for a while. Change that too often. This. Where does masterpiece? The baristas know just how to like it. Full coffee. Add SSH key to GitHub. I didn't do that. I was trying. I tried to get the Neovim working, and it still was not giving me trouble. It's got to be something with the font. I like think I learned how to add fonts to Ubuntu today, but it's still giving me the error, so we'll look at that later. Right now, let's figure out how how to add bots to Twitch. Best bot. Can you add the bot to the restream? I don't think so. Let's see. I was thinking about it today, and I should maybe like, I guess once I get the new equipment, I can start pushing, like at least consider pushing to things like Facebook or LinkedIn. Like there's a chance that this type of content does better on LinkedIn than most other places. But because I saw in or in Restream, it gives you the options to do that. Chatbot tutorial. All right, well, normally I just watch videos to learn how to do things, but we should bot rules to ensure notifications. Let me actually try that. I might be able to do that with you guys, but I watch videos at high speed, so that might be annoying. But we can test it. That's interesting. These guys are so good at YouTube, it's insane. Am I allowed to even do this? Do I have to do this off screen? I never read I never actually read the terms of services and whatever. Okay. I guess I'm gonna watch it off stream, so oh, what did I do? Oh, I did that. Okay. I should say I don't like that these are highlighted. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep doing this because I have it open in the other thing, which I guess I should just close. Yeah, let's go here and yeah, just kill it. Okay, query, kill it. Move on. This, yeah. I gotta remember. I gotta organize that better. Yeah. Okay, they're not highlighted anymore. Cool. Nice quick fix. Yeah, so I should read the rules for should read the freaking rules. Oh, still want to be there. Okay, so I'm just gonna see. So you guys should be able to hear this whenever I check it out. Let's see. How do you use restream chat? Okay, that restream chat. Yes. Restream maps. I really want the bot. Yeah. Let's look at this one. I would show this to you guys, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed. Let me speed this up. There's a ton. Ooh, it's written in Node.js. That means I might be able to rewrite it in, learn how to do that. That's probably hard though. So this is one that the guy just built. Right, I'm not sure that what I'm looking for exists. So let's just look at it on. Oh, this is not right. Place for it. Let's should have this one. This one. Yeah. Okay. Go back. Restream. Maybe Restream even has a Restream chat. They don't have a bot. Relay bot lets your fans chat with each other. We use multi-streaming chat every time we stream. There's Nightbot work with Restream. Using Nightbot on Restream, we use it same time on Mixer, Twitch. You can multi-stream using which we want. But to use Nightbot across platforms, you'll need to make an account for each platform and then set it up for each platform separately. That's annoying. Let's see. There's got to be a good way to do this. So if we go here, Live Studio, Events, Storage. Let's see, chat app, maybe? Open the browser. It's not relevant. Okay. Dashboard. Settings. Live Studio. Home page is the same thing. Let's go to Live Studio and see if there's something there. Chat overlay. Let's see the two places I'm sending to. It shows it here. I don't know if it shows it. Here. Like this title I think is still wrong. This isn't going to show me. Yeah, see, this still says this. Yeah, see, this is wrong. So I guess I should remember to, let's go to our to-do list. This one. I guess we can do it here. And then, yes, by checklist. Okay, this checklist. We did this, we did this. This happens automatically now, so that's good. Set the chat. Set the fan, go to the bathroom. Okay. And then, so for, make another one for really, but before this, I should just change these to pegs because doing the numbers is keeps you having to change them. Yes. Okay. Need to change items. It's just x 5 dash, and then we should be able to. Yeah. If we do those two, if we do one this way, yeah. Change. Right. Yeah. Man, what is happening? Should be able to change to this way. Okay. Do this. So doing it that way lets me just hit dot to do the same change in one motion. So hopefully one day I'll be good enough at that to not fumble through it. It's because those are sticky. Okay. What's next? See, this would be so cool if I had Neovim. I'd be hopping around, doing sweet stuff. I'd be doing the same stuff, but it would look cooler. Let's see. Research chat. I guess I don't need to do this now that I've made the chat a little bigger, but I won't be able to click stuff. So it's just. Hey, okay. Let's see. I wish I could just move this up. That's what I wanted for this, right? Just move lines around. But we have to do it the old-fashioned way now. Okay. Save that. And 20 minutes left. Let's keep trying to get the bot up for this. Let's see. Chat overlay. Does this do what I want? I think so. How do you add a chat bot? Well, here, let's at least see if we can add it. At least see if we can add it into Twitch. Yeah. What's this? So let's go here. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's not gonna do it. We want to go to our dashboard, I guess. Stop going infinitely inwards. how do we do a bot? There's no streaming tools. Twitch Studio, streaming software is built from the ground up for new streamers. OBS, Streamlabs, Lightstream, Gamecaster, Split, OBS Live. None of this is what I need. Let's just let's go here and then make a new one. Oh, that would be. Yeah, I guess that works. Twitch. Nightbot, sure. Chatbot for Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. I'd have to set it up for Twitch and YouTube. I mean, I guess we'll see how much work that is. Allows you to automate your live streams chat with moderation and new features. Spend more time entertaining your viewers. Okay. Let's see how it works first. Sign up. Click join channel. And then you mod the Nightbot. Should be down your channel. And read about how Nightbot works. Okay, so you should be able to do that in time. Let's see. Put on your website. Put your own website. Integrate with Nightbot. Very cool. This is super bright screen, by the way. It's like you can do all sorts of cool stuff. Let's dive in, huh? I've seen a lot of people use this. And on Twitch. Otherwise, I bought to run commercials. Like its own commercials. Okay. Interesting. How do I get it to join chat, I guess? Let's see. Ensure that you modded Nightbot in the channel. Nightbot was not a moderator. You cannot function properly. Mod Nightbot in the chat. Okay, let's do that first. Here. Go to our channel. It's like a third-party thing, so it makes sense. Surprised Amazon hasn't like bought them by now. Okay. Chat. Adding animated emotes can be disabled. So what's it? Ooh, it pops up all the stuff. Please host. Let's another stream on your channel. I guess I should just like host someone until like my starting stream should be hosting someone. I don't know how that works. There's probably some sort of etiquette behind it. They're going to be on etiquette. Okay, anyways, let's go to mod downwards. Did that work? Let's find out. we just do? Dashboard, logs, part of channel, part channel. Oh, part weave. Okay, so it should be in there. Should be in there. How do we get it into both though? I guess we just try. Does this log us out though? On YouTube, we can go here and how do I make YouTube a mod? It's the same thing. Modded. I don't think that did anything. This allows Nightbot to view and manage your assets in a Sure, it needs access to do some things. Join channel. Okay. Ensure that you have modded Nightbot in the channel. Nightbot is not a moderator, it cannot function properly. Your community settings to this. Don't forget to press save. Join streams that are live and not unlisted or private on YouTube. Okay. Community settings. Community settings, huh? Let's see what that is. Channel. Customize. Customize channel. Settings. Community. Why did I say community settings and not settings community? Moderators. Nightbot. Nice. Save. Alright, we did it. Let's go back to our thing. Oh. Oh. Kill this. Oh, it opened a new tab, but I was full screen. If I get this to go away, I just want the icon. Everyone knows this is Twitter. I don't have to say it. Okay. So does that mean Nightbot's in the channel? I don't know. How do we tell? I guess maybe it doesn't, maybe it waits until it goes live. Let's see if it's, I guess it doesn't count as a viewer. Well, let's see what we can do with Nightbot. Got 10 minutes left. Commands, default commands. Allows users to go list commands and moderators to manage commands. Okay. Let's see if we can move this to a new thing. And then also move this to Beautiful. So what we want is to go to this chat. And then say documents from the channel are available here. Ooh, Nightbot. We're live. Does that mean? Okay. What is this here? Cool. Yeah, so does that mean that if I go here, is YouTube so okay. Okay, that but's just a little slow. Okay, but you just have to like log Nightbot in to both accounts. Okay, let's add that to our checklist. Where is it? We gotta get better at this. Where's over here? 5. This one. Do this. It's annoying to not be able to put stuff though. Yeah. Time stream chat. Let's just change this to chat. Chat. This. I guess I could. This. Restream, change the chat, the title. Then to okay. Cool. Now back to learning about Nightbot. We've got 5 minutes-ish. Should be plenty of time. Like some stuff. Show the stream's current game allows moderators to modify it. What would that show? Should show the same thing for both things. Bank game. I'm playing science and technology. Yeah. Makes sense. Ooh. Are we eligible for a commercial? Commercial when specified. Commercial. Whoa. Does that actually work? Is that going to do something? Or can I not see it? Huh. We could check that later. I wonder how if I could like sprinkle those into my breaks, since I'm going to be taking breaks anyway. Let's see. Oh, I should make a strong pull. I didn't need these anymore. Right. Oh. Parameters. Okay. if I go poll, new, poll, option specify, poll, new, and then title. Okay, so I should have like a snippet of this, right? Things. No. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Anybody out there? Oh. It's this one. Hey, started a new poll. Is there anybody out there? Let's check it out. Nice. It says account my vote. Ooh. Allow moderators to manage chat regulars. Oh, whoops. It's annoying that you can't like hit the up arrow to recover your. It's a mistake. Hey. Nice. Songs. Tags, title. Okay. Stream improvements, winner. This for like giveaways and stuff. I'm not following. I'm not allowed to follow. I'm following in chat. Oh man, these giveaways aren't totally random. Because it could pick you. I mean, they might still be random, but it's like the odds are skewed by exactly one. Okay, there's some cool defaults here. Custom. Aggregate. What's this do? It's a prefix with an exclamation point, but you can make it anything. Okay. Cool. So I can make these little commands now. I wonder if this transfers to both. It'd be annoying if it did. To YouTube and Twitch. So let's see. I had my list here. Let's move this to. Okay, goal, project, config. Config I can do when I get my setup going. Or when I get my GitHub going. So let's set goal. just put it right up front, so I have to change this. Let's see. 100 times 9 is 900. Divided by 60 is 1, and then 305, so 15 hours. Stinky cheese. I made you a regular viewer. I don't know what that does, but you're on the list. Yeah, VIP status confirmed. Locked it in. Everyone cool down 5 seconds. Nice. Okay, so I can just add those. I do hear the bass. Can you hear it in the headphones? Or on the stream? Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah, I think they're just like selling drugs right behind me outside. So that's annoying. I don't know who would go to a drug deal and blast their music super loud so that just the most conspicuous thing possible. Okay, we're going to do this. It says take a break, but we're just gonna push full. That'll work. Is that going to do something? I have to save this or something? Did I not do this right? That's so much. I don't know if I should say that, but definitely not going to keep that ratio. Maybe if I unlog it. Is this? I think this is still part of our. It's on Twitch or YouTube. Let's go here. Log it. Oh, is that with? I'm the top chatter. Try again. Nothing. Maybe I have to exit it. Get it back. It should be logged. Anyways, I guess it's not working. But my bot's there. Let's say yeah, I mean I guess the list doesn't change. Alright, I'm gonna take a 10-minute break and then I will be back. Yeah.